Okay, na biktima na naman tayo ng spontaneous lakad. So, ano lang, mga an hour ago lang na-decide na magka-camping kami sa Viewscape Nature Park. So, kasama namin ang mga Dadulas and Rojas. Rojas hindi Rojas na Mar Rojas.
Welcome to Tanay once again. Join us as we embark on an exciting and another spontaneous camping trip. Our destination for today is Viewscape Nature Park, a serene glamping destination tucked away in the majestic Sierra Madre Mountains. This time we are accompanied by the Dadulas and the Rojas. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our latest adventures and discoveries. Turn left lang kayo dito, papuntang Treasure Mountain. Nasa same area lang naman sila, kaya madaling hanapin. Madaling puntahan to, hindi nyo kailangan ng 4x4 kahit Wigo lang yan or Vios, kayang-kaya dito. The main attraction of Viewscape is the mesmerizing sea of clouds which transforms the landscape into a dreamy panorama as the sun rises. After namin sa registration, dumiretso na kami sa aming cabin which is the Hanan Lodge. Now this room is good for 6 to 8 people. May sarili kayong CR, private area, pwede kayong gumamit ng mga tables sa labas. May roof deck and very spacious.
Ito po ang room A. Ate, wala po pa. Uy, ganda CR.
After namin mag-settle down, umalis ulit kami para manood ng sunset sa Epic Park. Hindi na ako masyado nag-vlog sa Epic Park kasi meron tayong separate vlog about Epic Park. Ililink ko na lang dito. You can click somewhere here sa screen. For me, this is really the best spot to watch the sunset sa Tanay. Malamig dito, mahangin, especially pag taglamig. Pumunta kayo dito ng mga Burmans.
What's that, Ray?
Tignan nyo.
Dinosaur yan? Sakay si Ray Ray sa dinosaur?
Medyo naging brown lang yung damo sa sobrang init lately. Pero konting ulan lang siguro magiging green ulit yan. Para kang nasa Teletubbies pag nandito. And quick dinner muna tayo dito sa Pines and Clouds, ang aming favorite restaurant dito sa Tanay. Bakit aming favorite? Kasi murang-mura and walang tao.
Hi, we
Tahimik.
are here in a restaurant. And now we are right here. But we're gonna eat already.
Virtual tour muna tayo. Ito muna tayo sa glamping area. Itong mga A-frame houses na to, nasa 3,000 per night dito. Good for 2. I think pwede mag-add kapag 3 kayo. Next, we have the tent pitching area. Nasa 250 to per tent. That's good for 2 to 3 din. And also we have the car camping area or the overlanding. Meron tayong perfect view of Mount Coulis. Meron din tayong vlog nung inakyat natin yan. So unfortunately, wala tayong sea of clouds kasi malakas na masyado hangin. So wala tayong sea of clouds. Pero malamig. Hangin nga. And right now, hinihintay lang namin yung aming breakfast. And uwian na. Medyo umuulan na. But bago tayo umuwi, quick detour muna tayo sa car camping area. Gusto ko lang makita kung ano itsura.
Car camping area.
Ito na yung car camping area. Paved naman siya all the way. Kayang-kaya to akyatin ng kahit anong kotse.
Alright, yun na yun. Uwian na. So, thank you pala kila DJ. And sila Ninong, Tony, and Ninang Bing for sponsoring this trip. Ito yung mga spontaneous na lakad talaga natin. Ano kami, like, nag-decide kami on the spot na sasama kami. Ayun, short but memorable trip. Now, back to reality. Okay, so see you on our next vlog. Subscribe. Ray, sabihin mo, subscribe. Sabihin mo, Ray, sabihin mo, please subscribe. Pala.
Thank you for joining us on this remarkable experience. Until our next adventure, see ya!